This is just a short video to show the gear that I used making my short film, The Tarot Reading, A Murder of Crows. There's a link in the description below and at the end of this video to the film. The main camera I used was an iPhone 11 Pro. I downloaded the Beastcam app to set the settings on the phone. The reason I use the iPhone because the form factor is small, the image quality is good, stabilization is good, autofocus is good, and with the Beastcam app I have control over all the settings, the battery life is good, and it's waterproof. The case is just a cheap case I got off eBay, and I glued onto it a filter step-up ring. This enabled me to screw on the filters from my Hoya ND filter set, giving me control of the settings on the iPhone. The second camera I used was a Panasonic camcorder, the VXF 990. I needed this for B-roll, to film crows high up in the trees. For audio, I used a Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, and for filming outside, I used a Rode Deadcat. The cables used are an Apple lightning connector to a jack, the Rode SC4 cable, the adapter which you'll need to connect the mic to the phone, and then you've got the two Rode 3.5 cables. One's an extension, one's just a standard cable. For backup, I used an external 1 terabyte hard drive. The tripod, just a small, lightweight tripod. I will not be using this tripod again. The quality of the video head was not good enough. I had problems getting smooth pans. I now have a good quality tripod and video head. For the lighting inside, I used two softboxes with 135 watt bulbs. For editing, I used a MacBook Pro M1. I also used it as a monitor. It worked quite well. However, there is a caveat to this. To mirror the phone to the MacBook, you need airplane mode turned off. But to film, you should really have airplane mode on so you don't get interrupted by phone calls and texts. I was lucky, I managed to get away with it. The paperwork, the release form. The release forms come under different names: actors release form, models release forms. The form that I use is a film production release form. Basically, what it means is the actors give you permission to use their image. If you don't have this form that's been signed by the actors at any time could tell you that they do not want you to use their image in your film. So you can see that this is quite important. You should get one of these forms signed by the actors. This was all the basic gear I used to make my film. If you have any questions about the gear, just leave a comment below and I'll try to answer them. On this page, you'll find a link to my film, The Tarot Reading, A Murder of Crows. Have a look, see what you think. Any feedback welcomed, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. That's it for this video, and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.